Hello everyone, I am Vindeshwar from PostNetwork Academy, and in this video we are going to learn how to read, save and display an image in Python using three different libraries: Matplotlib, scikit-image and OpenCV. And by the end of this video, you will know how to load an image, inspect its properties and display it in different ways. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, I have used Matplotlib library. So here you can see that two modules have been used, pyplot and image from Matplotlib library, and they are renamed as PLT and MP image. Thereafter, using this module, you will load the image brownwell.jpg. Thereafter, it will print image shape. I have taken 1600 into 1600 image size. That means thereafter data type unsigned integer 8-bit, and thereafter here type of the image. Thereafter it will display image and turn off the axis, and thereafter finally it will show the plot, that means image. So what would be the output? Basically output would be like this one. I have taken the image of a leaf of paddy, that is a brown spot, that has brown spot on its leaf, that is a disease. So let us execute it into Python. So I have written the code already, and once I also executed. So here let us run this program. So it will load the image, and you can see that its size is 1616 and 3 channels, data type unsigned integer, and of the you can say that pixels, and here image is in numpy array, n dimensional numpy array. Now let us understand line by line. So that will first line, third line, that will read an image. Thereafter it will show the shape like this one, and thereafter here this function display the image stored in the current plot window. Thereafter plots, you can say that plot have not access, and thereafter plt dot, so it will show the image. Now again let us read and display an image using scikit-image. So scikit-image and IO library module you will use, and the same way you will load image using image read. Thereafter it will display, and finally it will show. In the same way output would be here. Now again let us run the program like scikit-image, the same program here, different program, same image. So let us load the image, see that here, and image this is in scikit-image. Now you can see that numpy and dimensional array 1600 into 1600 and 3 channels, RGB channels. Now let us understand line by line. So this line uses the io.imageRead function from scikit-image, that will read the image from the file and store into the variable im. Thereafter show, this function is used to prepare the image for display, and io.show, finally it shows the image. Now let us see how to upload or how to display an image using OpenCV. So first of all, you will import library CV2, CV3 has also come, you can use, and the image one. So I am read, that is like scikit-image, and it will show the image. And thereafter, wait for a key to press indefinitely, and if you close it, so it will destroy all windows created by OpenCV, and again this will have output like this one. Now without further delay, let us run the program here. So OpenCV, and clear the output screen. Thereafter let us run it. See that the bigger size here. So you can see that here. Now again image size 1600 again 3 channels, and again num, it is stored as n dimensional numpy array. So all tools are using numpy internally. Now let us understand line by line. So cv.image read, that will read the image from the disk. It will show or display the image and waits indefinitely. That means in a loop it will wait. And the last one, it closes all OpenCV created windows and release resources. That is for the resource management purpose. Now, for more resources, you can visit www.postnetwork.co. You can visit YouTube channel, Facebook page, LinkedIn page, and GitHub repositories. So hope you understood. Thanks for watching the video.